Creating a VTuber avatar is a fun and creative process that allows you to represent yourself online using a virtual character. Here's a concise guide. Concept and design. Start by conceptualizing your VTuber persona. Think about the character's appearance, personality, and backstory. Sketch or describe these details. Choose a 2D or 3D model. Decide whether you want a 2D or 3D VTuber avatar. For 2D, you can create a digital illustration or use specialized VTuber software like VTube Studio. For 3D, you may need 3D modeling software like Blender or commission an artist. Character art. Create or commission character art based on your concept. This artwork serves as the reference for your avatar's appearance. Rigging and animation. If you choose a 3D avatar, you will need to rig and animate it using software like Unity, VCFace, or VUP. Rigging enables facial and body movements. Motion capture. For a more interactive experience, you can invest in motion capture hardware and software to sync your movements with your avatar in real time. Voice acting. Decide on your VTuber's voice and record dialogues. You can modify your voice using software like VoiceMod if needed. Live 2D. If you opt for a 2D avatar, Live 2D software helps create a dynamic, live character by mapping 2D illustrations onto a 3D model. Streaming setup. Configure streaming software to display your avatar while you're live on platforms like YouTube or Twitch. Engage and build community. Interact with your audience, create content, and build a community around your VTuber persona.